Right, this is a short video explaining the hold time settings on the CPS software 1.14 for the Anytone 878. So if you go to optional settings, digital function, it's the 4 settings at the top. The top 2 are for channels that you've got programmed in. So if I had a channel programmed in my radio, with the frequency of the hotspot, which is group call and linked to 3100 for example, this setting sets how long it is connected for. Person call hold time is for a channel you've got programmed in for someone else's ID, exactly the same as programming a channel for a talk group, but it's a DMR ID and it's someone's ID. It's a DMR ID number, and that has to be set in as private call. So the top 2 are for channels, and if you were speaking to someone from an Anytone to an MD380, someone on a different radio, these settings apply. This is how you communicate with someone on a different type of radio. You'd go through a channel. The bottom 2 are for manual dial. Manual dial can be accessed by going to Menu, Talk Group, Manual Dial. It's identical to long pressing the 0 button. It comes up with the private ID screen, and from there you can press the bottom right, the hash button, to alternate between private call and group call. So if I quickly wanted to go to a talk group I don't have in memory, I'd long press the 0 button, I'd change it to talk group ID, type in the number, press transmit, and it will stay connected for this amount of time. And if I wanted to call someone whose DMR ID I didn't have programmed in the radio, just saw someone talking and made a note of their ID, if they had an Anytone I could use that, and it's got to be private call. So top 2 are for channels and the bottom 2 are for manual dial, which is the same as long press the 0.